Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 20 EMA on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, make sure you open the MetaTrader 4 app and click on chart, this one. After that, click on the F icon. Now click on the F plus and choose moving average. Now go to period and change it to 20. You can see here, method, make sure you are in exponential. Most likely you will find it in simple. So choose exponential. And here you can choose the color you want. So let's say green. And here you can choose the width of the line. So let's say 4 pixels, for example. And click on done. Now let's go back. And as you can see, this is our EMA 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.